Alright, it comes with your manual. You got a 12 volt for charging, Type C for charging, all your different extensions for different inflatables, carrying bag, your air compressor line, and the unit itself. Battery indicator on the top here. Press and hold to turn it on. Take this, thread this on. Press and hold to turn the flashlight on. Got a couple settings with the flashlight. Press and hold to turn that off. We got our PSI. We got bike. We got all these different presets. That's cool. Press and hold this button here to change it from PSI to kg, PSI, bar, kPa. Let's go ahead and keep a PSI. Let's see if there's an auto off feature. So at 36 PSI, should shut off. Alright, so there is a slight delay, as you guys saw. Not too long of a delay, but there is a little slight delay. Let's see if we slowly... Yeah, so about a second delay. You got a charging port on the top here. So you can charge it up here, you can charge your cell phone, and so much more, guys.